This week we will look at finishing assignment 3. If you go to the Content tab, go under the week by week view and look at assignment 3, you'll see that again we're going to do some more passing information from page to page. It's going to be similar to your assignment 2, but we have a different focus. On this one we're going to have a form that submits the information to a second form page, and we are going to store that information into local variables and then use those local variables to auto-populate the form fields. So if you think of any site that you've gone to that you go to update your information, they pull that information out of a database and then they auto-populate it into form fields, and then you can make the changes and you can resubmit it, and that gets stored back into the database. Well, we're not doing the database part of it yet. We're doing the submission from page to page, understanding local variables, understanding auto-population and echoing. So you'll see we've got some notes, video that I just recorded earlier today and updated. Your link to submit the URL when you're finished. You're going to have 3 files in your assignment 3 folder. You can go and look at the finished solution. So the finished solution, to run through it real fast, it looks like this. I give you this page. It's got a lot of the same CSS that was in your assignment 2, so it looks similar there. But you are going to just fill this out with information, and you'll see this in the video for this assignment as well. But let's say that you put in some information here. So basically, if you leave this blank, it's going to copy information over. If you fill it out, it'll keep that information. Notice that we're on the index page. When you submit this, it's going to go to a page that looks identical. So if you did it right, it's actually going to look like you didn't even change pages. But watch up here, watch in the URL where it goes index to get form data. So we are actually on a separate page, on a different page. It took the information from here, it copied it over to here. We auto-populated these form fields, so this is a different page. We took information from the first page, stored it into variables, put it onto this page, and made it so that it was editable in these form fields. And then the last click-through takes us to a display where we get rid of the form fields entirely and we just write this information out to the screen using Echo. So that's the entire solution. Again, there's a video there of me completing it. There's images included at the bottom for the code. There is a starter file, starterindex.php file, so you can start with that rather than doing all of that CSS. That shortens your assignment significantly, really. And then just make sure that it's working on the server, and then submit that URL, and that'll be all you need to do to complete assignment 3 for this week. So good luck, and I hope this goes well for you.